Bras are the most important part of a woman's wardrobe. That said, they come with a sea of information, a lot of which may be bizarre, unrealistic, or just not true. Whether it's your lingerie store attendant or your best friend, this list of debunked myths will make sure you have your bra facts in check. This is one of the most common myths a lot of women believe. But the fact is, it's completely normal. Whether it's a big difference or a small one, a majority of women have asymmetrical breasts, which may vary in position, size, or shape. While this is mostly due to genetics, a change in weight may also cause some amount of asymmetry. Balconette bras and plunge bras can give you the shaping and support you require to keep both your breasts in a similar position and give them an even look. This one is for most curvy women out there. If you thought the Double D cup is the biggest one out there, you're absolutely mistaken. Brands like Zivame, Triumph, Parfait and H&M have cup sizes that range from a triple D to E, F, G, H, double H or even a Z cup. The truth is quite the contrary. A white bra is going to show way more if the fabric of your outfit is even slightly translucent. You're much better off with a nude tone bra that matches your skin tone, or even a grey one. How can it not? If you lose or gain anywhere close to 2.5 kgs, your bra size will automatically change. Our breasts are primarily fatty tissue, so the increase or decrease in fat overall will change the size of your breasts too. So if your weight fluctuates often, you should get sized regularly. Wearing a bra to bed is only a matter of comfort. It doesn't make your breasts perkier or make them sag, much contrary to belief. However, wearing a tight sports bra or an underwired bra can restrict blood circulation and even cause irritation. So it's best to stick to a comfortable and soft bra while you get your beauty sleep. That's untrue. The band of the bra is what gives your breasts the maximum support. The straps, on the other hand, help keep them in place or uplifted for a desired look. For ideal support, make sure you have enough room for a 2-finger space at your bra band. While there are age-old myths claiming underwired bras can cause cancer, there is no scientific evidence that supports the same. That said, underwired bras can only cause you discomfort if they fit you incorrectly. So make sure your underwire doesn't poke or dig into your skin. It must fall flat on your chest without any spillage. These tips will make sure you get your facts right. So go ahead and give your girls the love and care they deserve. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.